Best memory of all of them?
Walter P. Moore does a very good job at having all of us included and being actively involved in the community.
I would say a good memory for me was the first monthly gathering that we had, getting to hear more about what's going on at Walter P. Moore. And it was just a really community-centric event that definitely was a great welcoming.
It's very important to be in a working space where you feel valued and respected.
You know, you go into these internships, you go and you're not sure how much you're actually going to be able to contribute. That was definitely a real surprise because I found myself contributing much more than I feel like you would expect going into an internship.
But not only just being involved, but actually getting to input some ideas, getting to make suggestions.
What I found really unique about Walter P. Moore is there's a very strong emphasis on mentorship.
I really appreciate all the mentors that have helped me in my professional growth.
Everybody is very accessible.
They say always ask questions.
Don't be afraid to ask questions.
It's awesome to be able to send like a quick message to somebody who's all the way in an office in Orlando.
And also don't be afraid to make mistakes.
As an intern, to really put into practice what you've been learning.
Not only am I working to design things myself, but I'm also working to help my peers.
It was very unexpected for me to see how very involved I can be in the design process of a project.
If you're somebody who likes to get your hands dirty, Walter P. Moore will set you up so you can do that.